got to LAX and everybody was honking. And look, the queue earlier showed 200 or something, 245, right? No, my friends, that app was off, or a lot of flights just landed. Maybe we got lucky. I'm not sure what the situation is, but let's see what happens. I think I know what's going on. I zoomed out just to see what's going on. There's a football game right here. I'm pretty sure this Oi! Yeah, we'll take it, dude. I just got here. I'll take 41 bucks. Where am I going, though? Oh, another one matched. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, it's gonna surge right now. North Hollywood. That wasn't bad for $41. Damn it. $23? Oh yeah, it's surging right now. There's more drivers. There's less drivers than passengers. What is this? I just got here, bro. Give me a second. Air Dome and Sherberdo Drive, Los Angeles. I don't know where that is. But how much? Half an hour to make $23 Uber X? That's not bad. I think it's gonna surge. But I'm trying to draw right here to tell you guys what's going on. I think there's a football game right here. That's why it's surging right there. So there's a lot of drivers there. And not enough drivers here. And it's going fast. Let's see if we can get it to surge again. Because when I came in, everybody was honking. Oh, it's not even going to let me surge. All right, let's enjoy it. This is what it looks like or feels like when it's busy, my friends. Where is that? 30 minutes to make $25. That's not bad. That is not bad. Ooh, nice. Give me another one. $30? I'll take it. I'll take it for 12 miles. I'll come right back. I'll take it. Earlier I saw 41, man. That would have been nice. 41 to North Hollywood for 41 minutes. So this is going to take me 30 bucks, and I'm slowly going to work my way back here again. Oh, what is this? That's 2 in a row that it didn't match me. This is bullshit. Uber, don't make me put your dumbass in timeout again. 37, yeah, let's go. Hey, as long as you gave me 37, I'm cool, dude. Just keep going up, Uber. Next one, give me $45. Next one, give me 45. Come on. My mom said to make videos that are 3 minutes long. This will be a nice 3-minute video. Come on, don't. You're taking too long, Uber. You're taking too. Oh yes, yeah. Hey guys, my mom said to make videos that are 3 minutes long. Jasmine, I love you. I hope you're my age. I'm 47 years old. I'm letting you know. Holy shit, you know what? I can't be saying that anymore because some of the people are following me on YouTube and we end up having great conversations. But Jasmine, girl, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for the $37. Can we please turn this into $50? Like $13 tip? I'll be done for the day. Like I can go home early. I can spend time with my wife and kids. I'm just kidding. No wife, no kids. Well, no. No wife, but I got kids. All right, guys. And look at the nice lighting on my face. This is cool. This is beautiful. All right, here we go.